You've been injured on the job, and now the insurance company wants to try and settle your claim. The adjuster recommends you attend a mediation at the State Board of Workers' Compensation. Let's talk about what mediation is, what it isn't, and how it can be a great way to try and get your claim settled. Now, what is a mediation? This is when a disinterested, neutral party meets with the parties to a claim in an effort to help them reach a compromise. It encourages the parties to get together to talk, to try and find common ground to reach a resolution of a dispute. And we often have mediations in workers' compensation claims over issues such as medical care, changes of physician, or to discuss a possible settlement of a case. And keep this in mind, mediations are not binding on the parties. This is one of the great benefits of a mediation. You're not putting your case in the hands of the judge. These are opportunities to see if you can come to a settlement of the issue or the issues. You still have the power and the right to decide if you want to settle the dispute. And everything that is shared during the mediation is completely confidential. What are some other benefits of mediation? Well, it allows the parties to come together to talk about the issues. Sometimes phone calls or letters and emails do not do as good a job of stating your position as having the chance for you and your attorney to tell it to the insurance adjuster and their lawyer face-to-face about your physical condition. And a mediation is also a great way to speed up the resolution of an issue without having to wait for a hearing. Now, let's talk about the mediator. If it's a private mediation, then it could be any mediator that has experience with workers' compensation claims. If it's scheduled through the State Board of Workers' Compensation, then you can expect the mediator to be one of the judges or one of the staff attorneys at the board. We receive calls all the time from people that have tried to handle their workers' compensation claim on their own, or they hired someone else and then they settled their case thinking they were getting top dollar on their case, or they settled under the assumption their pain and their discomfort was only temporary, and they hoped they would get better, only to find out later that the injuries were permanent. Folks, I can't stress this point to you enough. Once your workers' compensation claim is settled, that's it. The insurance company stops paying for your medical treatment, and there's nothing that can be done to reopen your case. And it doesn't matter how bad your condition may decline in the future. My point is this. If you're hurt at work, do not try and take on the insurance company and their lawyers by yourself. You owe it to yourself, to your family, to have an experienced workers' compensation attorney step in to protect your rights and to work to get you all the cash and benefits the law allows. You have absolutely nothing to lose by calling me, but think of all you can lose if you don't.